Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, you will learn about user interface of AutoCAD. When you start AutoCAD, this window will appear. In this window, the new drawings can be started from this button, Start Drawing. And if you have already saved drawings, you can open them by clicking on this Open File tab. In the middle portion, under Recent Documents, you can find the documents or drawings on which you have recently worked or you have edited or opened recently. On the right side, in this portion, you will find notifications related to this software package. As in my case, it is showing that offline help is not installed. To install offline help, click Help menu, and here under this Connect tab, there are two options: sign in to A360. Over here you can log in if you have an Autodesk account, and from this part you can send feedback to Autodesk. Now let's start a new drawing using Start Drawing options by clicking on Start Drawing. When you will click on Start Drawing, this window will appear. On the top of the screen, you will find title bar. As you can see over here, the title of drawing, that is drawing2.dwg. .dwg is file extension for AutoCAD files. In this title bar, on this left top portion, you will find Quick Access toolbar, which contains options like New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, Undo, Redo, and Workspace. By clicking on this arrowhead or this button, you can show or hide options on the toolbar. As you can see, by unchecking this Workspace, the Workspace button is disappeared from title bar. Now again, by clicking on this and checking Workspace, you can see that Workspace again appeared on the screen. Under Workspace option, there are mainly three portions: drafting and annotation, 3D basics, 3D modeling. Drafting and annotation can be used for 2D drafting, whereas 3D basic and 3D modeling can be used for 3D modeling or 3D designing. Below this title bar, this portion is called menu bar. Menu bar contains different tabs or different menus such as File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Draw, Dimension, Modify, etc. Under these menus, there are many commands. For example, under Draw menu, there are line, ray, construction line, multi-line, polyline, and other commands. In some cases, menu bar is not shown over here. To make this menu bar appear over here, you have to click on Quick Access toolbar drop down button and click on Show menu bar option, and this will appear. If we will click again, the option will be changed into Hide menu bar, and by clicking on this, the menu bar will disappear from or hidden from the screen. So let's keep it shown. Below this menu bar, this portion is called ribbon. Under this ribbon, there are various tabs such as Home, Insert, Annotate, Parametric, etc. Under these tabs, there are various commands which you can use to perform various operations in AutoCAD. Further, these are called tabs, as you can see in case of browsers also. And by clicking on this plus tab, you can see new drawing is appearing near the cursor. By clicking on this plus, you can open a new tab or new drawing. You can see over here, earlier the title was drawing2.dwg, but now it's drawing3.dwg. And if I again click on this drawing2, the title will change to drawing2.dwg. Let's close this drawing3. Under these file tabs or tabs, this portion is called, this portion excluding this where you can see grids, this portion is called drawing space. In right hand top side of this drawing space is this view cube. This view cube can be used to see various views in 3D modeling. And below this view cube, this is navigation toolbar. Under this, there are options like pan, zoom, and rotate. By using zoom command, we can zoom in or zoom out. We can also zoom in and zoom out by using mouse scroll. Further, by using pan command, we can move drawing anywhere on the screen. Pan command also can be activated by holding middle mouse button and moving the mouse. And over here, this portion is called command line. In this command line, we can type command such as L for line command, then enter, and we can draw the line. And by right clicking, this drop down menu will appear, and by clicking on the center, the command will be terminated. And you can see that commands you have used appear on this portion above command line. This can be enlarged or reduced by just dragging this portion. Finally, at the bottom, this portion is called status bar. In this status bar, there are many toggle switches which can be activated or deactivated by using left click or by left clicking on the button. As you can see, by using this toggle button, you can show or hide the grid. Further, we can check whether a particular toggle button is on or off by just looking at it. If color of the toggle button is sky blue, that means that button is active, and if the button is of light gray color or white in color, that means grid is not active. Now you can see when we activate grid appear on the screen, and when we deactivate grid mode, the grid will disappear. After this, you can see that if we left click and drag the mouse from left to right, the screen become blue, and when we do the same thing from right to left, the screen will be green. These two blue and green portion are called selection windows, which can be activated by just left clicking and dragging the mouse or cursor on the screen. These are two different types of selection windows. In case of blue window, which activates when we drag cursor from left to right, blue window will appear, and when we left click and drag from right to left, green window will appear. The main difference between these two windows is that when we use blue window, it will only select that item which comes completely inside this blue window. As you can see, only this line was inside the blue window and this is got selected. But in case of green window, if you want to select an item, you only touch any portion of the same and you can see all the components which are not even came inside the window were selected. You can again see that the portion which only touch with this green window will be selected, and you don't need to select whole portion. The blue window can be used to select specified entities, whereas green window can be used where bulk selection is required. Further, we know that AutoCAD can be used by mechanical engineers, civil engineers, electrical engineers, or architects. In this series of video, we will only discuss the portion related to civil, mechanical, and architecture. When we use AutoCAD for various fields, we need to change units, as in case of mechanical, the units used are in mm, whereas in case of civil and architecture, we use foot, inches, or meters. So we will learn how to change or set these units. You only need to press U and then enter. From here you can use type of units and precision from here, and units, you can change units from here. In this case I will use millimeter. So by using these options you can set units as per your field or convenience. In the next video we will discuss various commands under draw menu or this draw pen. I hope this video will be useful for you, and please like, share and subscribe to support our channel. And finally, thanks for watching.